morning, good morning. This is the vlog that I've been waiting for. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I am packing today because tomorrow I leave for flight attendant training. I am so excited. I'm supposed to have my bags packed and ready to go for 5.5 weeks away from home in 3 hours. I think that's doable, but I'm bringing 2 checked suitcases and a backpack or like a bag or something. I'm not exactly sure, but I'm so excited. I fly out at 2 p.m. tomorrow, so yay, that's super exciting. And then we get to the hotel will pick us up and we have a meet and greet at 5, which those are my least favorite kind of interactions. And then Monday is the first day. So I'm so excited. It's gorgeous outside today. I am packing and then getting some things for Mother's Day ready, and then going to my parents' house because they're gonna take me to the airport tomorrow, and ba-bang. Bada bing, bada boom, as Sophie Clue would say. Good morning, good morning. It is go to Seattle day. Super exciting. It is also Mother's Day, so we're doing a little brunch for my mother. But welcome to Flight Attendant Justin, officially, almost. So excited to get up there, see my hotel, and start training tomorrow. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to ask. Now enjoy your flight, and as always, thank you for flying alive. So, we are currently on our way to the airport. Say hello.
Hello.
We are going to the airport so that I can fly to Seattle. All of my stuff is in the back. Love that. I am checking up 2 bags. What?
And your sister is back there.
Yeah, she's just sitting in the back. So, gonna check 2 bags, and then when I get to Seattle, I have to get the bags from baggage claim, which is something I never do. So it'll be fun. Any parting thoughts before I go to training?
You can't put me on the spot like that. I don't know. Have fun. Maddie, don't do drugs.
Well, I will be drug tested, so that's not in the cards. If I can't have you, I can't write one song that's not about you. Can't drink without thinking about you. Is it too late to tell you that everything means nothing if I can't have you? Are you sad that I'm leaving?
I am sad, but you'll be back.
How sad on a scale of 1 to 10?
4.
Oh, that's not that bad.
You'll be back.
Any?
And this is a good thing.
Okay, any parting thoughts?
I don't know. I can't be put on the spot like that. I'm not sure.
Any parting thoughts?
I love you 3000. Wait
That's
a minute.
cute for the vlog.
Yes, love you 3000.
Okay.
She's gonna start crying here. That's sweet. Okay.
Are you gonna cry?
I'm good. Let's say our goodbyes. arrived in the mothership, which is Seattle Airport. Not my favorite airport. Portland is my favorite airport, but it's a good time. The flight was really awesome. Now I'm just waiting for the hotel shuttle, but all of the other Alaska trainees are coming in right now, so there's kind of a wait, but it'll be fine. And I'm gonna check in, and then we have a meet and greet at 5, and we'll just see where the day takes me. So, hey, just got to the hotel, and to be completely honest, I'm a little overwhelmed. Yeah, like there's just so many people, and this is a very new situation, and I am sitting in the room. I love that my roommate is already here, and I walk in and Keeping Up with the Kardashians is on. Love that. So now I think I am going to try and go be social and meet new people, and oh god, this is going to be quite the day. Okay, so I just got back from hanging out with my new friend, which is super exciting. I know that I mentioned earlier that I was scared to go to the meet and greet and hang out with new people, but I'm so glad I did. Her name is Katie, and she is from Orange County. She went to school in North Carolina, and yeah, we went to Target together, and then had Panda Express, which was a blast from the past. And then we went to Nordstrom Rack, and I spent money on shoes that I actually did need these shoes, so it's a good purchase. And now I'm back in the hotel room. I think one of the things that like I'm gonna have to work on is not trying to be with other people all the time. Not that I like am a social butterfly and want to hang out with people all the time, but it's like okay to be in my room at 7:35 on a Sunday night, like wanting to unpack and watch TV and take a shower and stuff. So I'm back here. I'm gonna unpack my clothes. I haven't touched my suitcases since I got here. Probably watch some TV or Netflix or something, and then just hang out. So yeah, super fun, exciting announcement at the end of this vlog, so stay watching. I want to give you a tour of my room though, so yeah, I hope you want to see my room. So this is one half. This is a king bed. My roommate is currently sleeping in this, and then we're on the first floor, so we have a nice little view of the parking lot and the shuttles that take us to the training center every day. And then this is the other half of the room, so this turns into a pull-out bed, and that is where I'll be sleeping this week, and then we're gonna switch every week. Not ideal, but you know, it is what it is. We have a nice TV with good old Scott. Love him, and Keeping Up with the Kardashians. There's a desk, a cool little mirror, and then we have this awesome kitchen area that is really cool. Like they give us cups, and there's a dishwasher and a microwave and like that thing, and there's like silverware, and my roommate was a flight attendant, and this is his like cooler that he used, so yeah. And then this is the bathroom. Is it not? Yeah. So this is the bathroom. It's okay. I wish this was an LED mirror, but it is what it is. And then this is the shower. That's not a bathtub. Shampoo, which is kind of nice, and mahogany woods. Love that he uses that. So the super fun, exciting announcement is that during the meet and greet, one of my fellow new flight attendants, I was like, "Hi, I'm Justin." And he's like, "From YouTube, you're flight attendant Justin." And I was like, "What?" It really threw me off guard because I've never had that happen before, and I guess that just goes to show that like people are actually watching these vlogs. So thanks for watching. I'm going to do weekly videos now that I am in training, talking about my experiences and what I'm learning and all of that good stuff. Feel free to subscribe down below if this is your first time watching. Like, comment, blah, blah, blah. You can follow me on Instagram, which is down below as well, where I post more photos. Okay, love y'all. Bye.